Just a few months ago, summertime in Eretz Yisrael, I was singing Abba, which is very popular now. Oh, Abba, 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 Melech HaOlam. And suddenly I was overcome with the feeling, I'm talking to my Father. I always was touched by that we call Hashem our Father. Besides King brings out, awe and fear. But when you say Tate brings out a feeling of love, compassion, Ava. And it's already almost 2,000 years we're saying, Abba, we miss you. I lost it. And I just broke out into tears during singing Abba.